In this video, I will tell you how to add credit in the Temu application. For that, the process is very simple. I will be providing the link of the Temu in the description below so you guys can check it out. So why do we use Temu application? And why do we need to add credit into it? So we use Temu application for online shopping and we need to add credit into it so we don't get to like verify the payment method and get the verification codes for the payment every time we make an order. So we simply make the we can simply put some credit in the Temu account, and by doing so we'll be able to directly place orders. So all you have to do is to sign into your account. Here you guys can sign in with your Google, Facebook, Apple account, or simply enter in your email and follow the on-screen instruction to follow complete the login process. So here you guys can see that now I have logged in with my profile, and now what I have to do is to go to my profile and you will see a credit balance right over here. Just simply go ahead and click on the credit balance option, and once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. So now how you guys can add the credit into it. So for that, all you have to do is to try signing it with another account that have a credit card attached to it. So make sure that you have an attached credit card to that particular Google account, and by doing so your credit card will be automatically be accessed with the Temu, and that way you can transfer some of the credit to the Temu application and you can simply place the order without getting any authorization code or verification code, and you guys can enjoy the shopping hassle free. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.